Hi, it's me MJ, and this video is a tutorial on how to remove watermark in Kinemaster. Disclaimer lang, I am not a pro in editing. Gusto ko lang i-share yung natutunan ko at nalaman ko. Ngayon, kailangan natin i-download yung app na Kinemaster dun sa link na ilalagay ko sa description. Ngayon, kung nakapin nyo na yung link, pupunta tayo sa Google Chrome. Paste natin doon. And then, yung highlighted na green, click natin yan. Ayan. And then, click OK. And then, magda-download yan, guys. Wait pa natin siyang matapos. And matagal pa, so babalikan ko kayo, guys.
A few moments later.
So, I'm back. Ayan, malapit na siya matapos mag-download. Wait lang natin. Ayan. Ayan, so click lang natin yan. And then install. Once na-install nyo yan, guys, merong lalabas na open sa lower right. Ngayon, like that. Click nyo lang yan. Pero ako kasi, dumiretso ako dun sa labas. So, i-click natin yung app. So, pagka-open ng app, allow nyo lang. And then, allow ulit. Wait lang natin siya, guys. Allow me to your heart. Char. Ayan. Click remind me later and then the plus sign icon. And then media. Let me give you a sample ng video. Ayan. You can see, guys, wala nang watermark sa upper right. Yay! So, ayun na yun, guys. Tapos na yun. Now, you can enjoy editing your videos without watermark. Next tutorial, how to change video background. So, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag may next akong upload. And if nagustuhan nyo tong video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching!